Hello again, I'm James Vaughan, the Chief Constable of Dorset Police. As you will already know, we very sadly lost a member of our police family this week. Sgt Ian Woodward was a 56-year-old and was a much loved and well respected custody sergeant who had been a police officer for almost 28 years. Ian has been unwell since Christmas and had been self-isolating after developing coronavirus type symptoms. He very sadly died at home on Monday. A COVID-19 test has since come back as negative. We are all devastated to have lost our colleague, and my thoughts remain with his family and friends at this very difficult time. Thank you for working with us and supporting our efforts to enforce the new government restrictions. Our Dorset communities have been fantastic at following these rules, and I'm certain our combined effort in this county will make a difference to combating this terrible disease. I am listening carefully to your feedback. I'm speaking regularly to all MPs, council leaders and Dorset's Police and Crime Commissioner to ensure that I understand how our policing efforts are being received by you in communities. We continue to provide a proportionate, engaging and pragmatic approach to the lockdown restrictions, and so far we've only issued a couple of penalty notices. We are firmly of the opinion that we need to be working alongside our communities, and we will only enforce as a very last resort. The advice remains broadly the same. Stay at home, protect the NHS and save lives. Public Health England is telling the public, act like you've got it. Anyone can spread it. And this is the one message we should keep in our minds every day. Only go out for essential food shopping, any medical needs, or to provide care or help to a vulnerable person. One form of exercise a day and travelling to and from work, but only where you cannot work from home. I would like to give a couple of points of clarity. The government has helpfully provided further guidance on gov.uk around travel to beauty spots and travelling to second homes. It states that essential travel does not include visits to second homes, campsites or caravan parks or beauty spots. People must remain in their primary place of residence. And the travel advice does allow people to travel to and from work where they are simply unable to conduct their business from home. Car parks at beauty spots and beaches remain closed, and my advice is do not make unnecessary journeys for exercise unless absolutely unavoidable. Yet again, I would like to issue my personal thanks to each and every one of you for the help you've given during this very, very difficult time. And finally, a very big shout out to our colleagues in the NHS and other key workers and services, both public and private, who are working tirelessly to keep us safe and our country running. Have a great weekend. Thank you.